Okay, here in our example on the board, we have Clarkfield Christian School. Okay, Clarkfield is a name or specific name of a school. So, what do you think is a common noun here? Yung sabi po kanina ni teacher, yung kahit hindi na siya i-capitalize. Ano pong word yun? School. Okay, school. Common noun siya, hindi siya tunay na name. Okay? Pwede siyang maliit lang. Okay? Common noun siya. Okay, yung common noun ng uno. What is the common noun of uno? Uno is a boy, a dog, a duck, or a chicken. What is uno? Dog. Okay, dog is a common noun. Understand? Dog is a common noun. Boracay. What do you think is the common noun of Boracay? It is a park, it is a beach, it is an island, it is a forest. What do you call Boracay? Look. Beach or island, right? Very good. Beach is a proper noun or a common noun? Beach. Can you please read the word here? Beach. Okay, beach. Is it a proper noun or a common noun? Common. Kasi ang proper niya is Boracay. Okay? Yung tunay na pangalan, Boracay po. Yun ang proper. O, tingnan mo po. Okay, take a look here. Boracay starts with letter B. It's in capital letter, right? Because it is a proper noun. Beach starts with letter B. But I didn't write it in capital letter B, but in small letter b. Okay? It is a common noun. Okay, this is a common noun. Okay, uno starts with letter U, capital letter U, because it is a proper noun of a dog. Okay, dog here is in small letter because it is a common noun, correct? Okay, another here, Clarkfield Christian School. Clarkfield and Christian is a proper noun. Okay? It is a name of a school. Okay, a school is a common noun. Pero pag nagkasabay silang tatlo, if we say it together, the Clarkfield Christian School, they are proper noun. Okay, kaya malaking titik si letter S dito sa school. Pero pag sinabi lang, where you're going, look, I'm going to school. School is a common noun. Maliit lang po yun yung letter S doon. Okay? Understand? Okay, can you answer now, aside from reading this sentence, what is a common noun of encyclopedia?